application right now, which is called Picast. You can see the desktop component open. What this allows the user to do is drag and drop video files into the window, and then it will fetch metadata about the video file, whether it be a movie or a TV show. So here we can see Ex Machina, which I just added. Go ahead and click on it. More info is showed about the movie. You can see the IMDb rating, a plot about the movie, actors. Okay, so right now the Raspberry Pi is not connected, so we have to go ahead and start the receiver on the Raspberry Pi. So what this is doing is sending out broadcast signals across the network to try to find the desktop component, which it did. And now you can see on the screen here the Raspberry Pi connected. Okay. Yeah, so if we want to go ahead and now stream the video to our Raspberry Pi, we just have to go ahead and click stream. Okay, and that's just a little pop-up for playback control. And you can now see that the video has started to play. We're using FFmpeg to encode the video file, or transcode the video file, and stream it over HTTP live streaming. This technology can be used on iOS or Android, so we could, in the future, maybe develop an app to receive the video as well. Okay, so with the playback, you can hit pause, which goes ahead and pauses the playback on the screen. And then if we want to start it back up again, play. There's a little bit of delay, but it's kind of variable. Okay, so it's playing. And when we want to stop the stream, click stop, and the stream stopped. Okay, so now we want to test out adding a TV show. So I'm going to go ahead and add a South Park episode. Drag and drop, and you have to go and navigate to your TV folder, and you can now see South Park's here. This is an episode listing page, so you can see all the episodes that you have of a certain series. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and now we have some details about this specific episode. It's called The Sissy, episode number 3, first air date, and again it gives you a little plot about the episode. So if we go ahead and click stream to Pi, see our playback controls opened up again, and we should be streaming. Now you can see the South Park episode playing. Okay. So again, hit stop stream to stop this playback. So a little bit of a delay. Okay, so now what you can also do with our desktop component is actually monitor certain folders for video files. So if you go ahead and you can click this add folder, and then it brings up a file browser on your system. So if we want to monitor our downloads, and let's see, okay, let's American Sniper. Add that, and you can see that American Sniper was added because it's in the folder, and any other files that you add to the folder will automatically be populated. Here you can see some info about American Sniper. So that concludes our demo. For future functionality, we'd like to improve the UI a little bit more. We also want to implement maybe more playback on playback control on the Pi side. Right now all you can do is play and pause. We want to be able to go ahead and scroll, fast forward, and go back. So those are future things we can do.
Yep, and that's it.
Yep, thanks.